Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to cut our onion and our pepper for our dish. With the onion, we're just going to take it and we're going to peel it, leaving the root on, as you can see, and that will hold the onion together, while we're cutting it. So what we want to do is we want to cut that onion in half, like so, and then we're going to take our 3 fingers and we're going to hold our fingers on top of the onion to keep it steady. And with our knife, we're going to cut in a downward stroke, and we're going to go about, I would say, ½ an inch apart, because we want these to be quite large for our dish, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the flat of our hand and hold the onion, nice and steady, and we're going to cut into the onion, like so, halfway in, and then we're going to come down the other way and cutting into cubes like so. And that is pretty much how we're going to do our onion for our dish. So you can do that with both halves. So we'll do that again so you can see. We're going to go down, holding with our 3 fingers, keeping it nice and steady, making sure everything's together. Then we're going to go flat, and we're going to go cut into the onion slightly tilted down. So we got 3 cuts that way, and then 1 cut this way. And then we're going to come back and we're going to go down. And we're going to create these nice cubes for our dish. And then we're going to do our pepper. And our pepper, there's lots of ways to cut a pepper, but the way I like to do it is you just simply take the one from the top and you cut down. And once you do that 1 cut, you can see the membrane. And once you can see the membrane, you can use that as a guide. So now I can do my 2nd cut, just following that membrane. And then again, follow the membrane. And then again, follow that membrane down. And then take the top off. And so what you got, you left the membrane there, and the pepper is somewhat clean. And with this, we're simply going to do, I'd say for this size, we'll do 3 cuts. Again, we want about ½ an inch thick, because they'll hold up when we're cooking. So once you got them cut into 3, just going to go cut them again into a nice square like that. And we'll do our whole pepper like that, and then we can put everything together and we'll be ready to go. Awesome. Thanks guys. Hope to see you soon.